Removing the front fog lights on the IS200. There's no access to the fog lights from underneath the car or behind it, as the wheel arch liner goes all the way under the vehicle and there's no access holes. The fog light is removed by removing the two 10mm bolts that you can see there. I try to have a magnet handy, as the bolts are really difficult to get out with your fingers, and if you dropped them there is no access back there other than to remove the bumper or the undercar tray. So if you've got a telescopic magnet, that'll definitely help. The first time you remove the fog lamp assembly, it might be very difficult to pull past this point, but I assure you that is the way to do it. Pull it out like that, and the connector is here. To remove the bulb, undo this cover, and you've got a H3 bulb, so it's just got this connector here. Undo the retaining clip and remove the bulb. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has saved you some time and money. If you have any questions, then leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.